Plans to get teachers vaccinated is dependent on supply as the state prepares to move into Tier 3 of vaccination. Thanks for joining us. I'm Lucas Geisler.
And I'm Deborah Kendrick. ABC 17's Connor Hirsch is live at Columbia Public Schools Administrative Building after looking into how Boone County and Columbia plan to get their educators shot.
Connor, leaders at CPS say plans for vaccinations have been ready for months.
And Deb, Lucas, a spokeswoman for the district, tells me they're just waiting for two things. First, the date of March 15th to come around for when teachers and staff are eligible for those shots, and then next, vaccine supply to become available. We're ready. That's what CPS told me in an email, saying the district has plans for large and small scale distribution of the vaccine, but it all boils down to supply in the county. Boone Hospital has been working with CPS and other districts in the area to vaccinate educators that qualify now, but are waiting to make solid plans for after March 15th until they know that vaccine is available. The Columbia Boone County Health Department agreed it's hard to plan for any events or distribution with the low supply.
It's difficult to plan what we might be able to do in the next week or 2 weeks or month when we don't exactly know how much vaccine we might get.
Sarah Hum said the state has not released any guidelines to prioritize specific industries or groups eligible in Tier 3, so the department will continue to work through the list.
Granted, that could change in the next couple of weeks. If the state issues different guidance, then we will follow that guidance.
CPS teacher and co-president of the Columbia Missouri State Teachers Association, Ariel Schwarting, said it's important to find time for teachers and staff to get vaccinated that won't disrupt their time in the classroom.
It's a challenge for teachers, especially with our substitute rate issues and things like that. Teachers, the last thing we want to do is be out of the classroom because we know how important it is to be there with our students.
And state leaders say once March 15th comes around, teachers and everybody in Tier 3 will be eligible to get the shot regardless if not everybody in the previous tiers have gotten their shot if they want it. Reporting live in Columbia, Connor Hirsch, ABC 17 News.
Columbia Public Schools said 700 out of its 3,000 employees have already been vaccinated.